In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer organization ownership in Hubstaff. If you need to hand over control of your Hubstaff organization to someone else, the process is simple, but it's important to do it carefully. Changing the organization owner gives another member the highest level of access, so before you begin, make sure you've selected the correct person and that they're already part of your organization in Hubstaff. To get started, log into your Hubstaff account and go to the People section. From there, click on Members. This area shows everyone who currently belongs to your organization, along with their access levels and account details. Take a moment here to locate the member you want to promote to the new owner role. Once you find the right member, click their name to open their profile, or Member Settings. This is where you can manage their permissions and make changes to what they can access inside the organization. Be careful at this stage, especially if your organization has several members with similar names or roles. It's always a good idea to double check that you're editing the correct account before moving forward. After opening that member's details, look for the role section or, in some accounts, the organization role section. The exact label may vary slightly depending on your Hubstaff interface, but this is the area where organization level permissions are controlled. When you find it, change the role to organization owner. This action tells Hubstaff that this member should become the primary owner of the organization. As soon as you make that change, Hubstaff will usually display a confirmation prompt. This is an important safeguard because transferring ownership is a major administrative change. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the ownership transfer when you're ready to proceed. Once confirmed, the selected member will become the new organization owner. Before you finish, it's a good practice to review the change and make sure ownership has updated correctly. If needed, let the new owner know that the transfer is complete so they can verify their access on their side as well. This helps prevent confusion, especially if they'll be taking over billing, team management, or other admin responsibilities. That's all it takes to transfer organization ownership in Hubstaff. Follow those steps carefully, confirm the change, and the new owner will be set up successfully.